Have you bonked today? Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan. Today we're taking a look at a very popular meme coin Bonk. The one thing I like about Bonk is these guys are absolutely crushing it on their social media front, literally taking over Twitter by storm with constant news, updates, everything I like to see in a meme coin. Also, we're seeing Bonk pump earlier today, which wanted me to come and retake a look at this project. Before I start the video, I want to ask if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below. And like always, remember these videos are not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the projects we cover on this channel. Now let's jump right into it. First of all, I want to highlight, guys, we've re-entered greed, which is absolutely insane. We've been in terms of the fear and greed index, we've been sitting at neutral for quite some time now, and now we finally re-entered greed, and it's great to see that this could be the momentum we needed for our meme coins and crypto coins to start pumping again. So I just want to quickly highlight that. Now let's take a look at what's going on with Bonk. We can see Bonk was pumping upwards of 15% today, and now it's kind of dumping in a downwards direction. However, I don't think it's an end just here. I think this was a slight correction as people were taking some profits. When we look on the all-time chart, guys, we can see at one point it pumped, and I believe a lot of people got in around this area over here, then it continued to dump, right? And I'm sure people load up the bag over here too. So we saw this pump earlier today, or I should say, I guess during the week. I guess people are anticipating they were going to make some sells, and that's exactly what took place, which is normal. We're going to obviously see some volatility. But talking about a project, if you want to get in early, guys, let's talk about Dogeverse. Guys, the pre-sale's almost over. You're going to want to load up a bag now. So your last chance to buy before it launches. They raised over $15 million. And you know, we've been covering this on this channel closely. A while back when they raised less than $300,000 worth of raising, another 15 million. We know when this goes live, it's going to easily hit 150 $200 million market cap without a doubt. Obviously not financial advice, but the hype is there. You're not going to want to miss out. I'm linking this in the description below. The world's first chain traveling Doge, available on 6 different chains. So it's a multi-chain Dogeverse token, featuring a ton of different articles as people are really hyped and excited for this. As multi-bridge utility, solid roadmap, tokenomics, and staking. Yes, you can earn passive income on your Dogeverse tokens. Plus, they're growing following, which is social proof, over 18,000 followers, very active on social media as well, which is everything we like to see in a meme coin. So if you missed Bonk or wish you got it on Bonk on these very, very early prices, this is where we are for Dogeverse, guys, because it hasn't even launched yet. It's going to pump like crazy. And when it goes live, it's going to pump like crazy. And then when we get listings, it's going to continue to pump. So if you want to load up a bag, link in the description below. I'll also pin it in the comment section. Now, back to Bonk. Bonk, again, growing very well as well. Almost 300,000 followers on Twitter. And we see they're just doing exciting things. You can see they had some Mother's Day, like e-cards that went out, which is pretty cool. Always putting up news, Bonk. They're asking people to bonk every day. They're connected with the community, engaging, which is everything you want to see in a project. We can see this as well. The dog lovers watching everyone come together to make a network better. Brains make the dog paws so much more comfy roaming around Solana. So we see this nice Solana congregation to solve some bandwidth issues, which obviously there's been a bunch of issues on the Solana network, which is great. Again, they're just doing great things to stay connected. We can see 9 hours ago, EDC Las Vegas starts tomorrow. The dogs will be there. So again, they're going to be in person, bringing it back, right? We saw this meme going crazy as well, more in the stock community, but we're seeing, you know, when the game gets serious, you start setting up. Even the new Solana intern is bonked in, truly incredible. And this is actually a Solana token with a picture of looking like the dog resembling on the Bonk logo, which is great to see as well, as this is from the official Solana page itself, right? So that's almost like a big Solana cosign with 2.6 million followers. The people are seeing it and they're screaming it. We can see Bonk is way more than the ordinary dog token with over 700,000 holders, 129 integrations on 9 different chains. Very similar to Dogeverse, right? It's like a multi-chain token, which is, again, very good to see. Popular. It's on a bunch of different exchanges, including crypto.com, Binance, Kraken. So you can pretty much buy this anywhere. It's becoming a top meme coin. We see even on this list as well, guys, we saw top meme coins to buy with extreme 30x to 50x profits in May. And guess what? Bonk made it to that list. We can see Dog with Fat, Pepe, and Bonk. People are very bullish, right? Bonk price keeps going up with a jump of 867% in 6 months, right? It went up by 50%. It moved a little 2% this week. So again, people are very bullish on Bonk. Even looking at the technicals, guys, I was looking at it earlier. We're seeing a lot of buying action taking place with moving averages and buy, Oscars and buy, and the overall summary and buy. Great news coverage on Bonk as well. We're seeing it. It's all over the news. Why is Solana meme coin pumping? People like the dogs. People like the bonking. Right? And that's big too. That's why I started off my video by asking if you want to bonk, or not if you want to bonk, but if you bonk today, is they're just creating a community. They're creating a trend. They're creating something that's separating themselves from the general market, which is everything you want to see in a community token. It can't just be a simple copy and paste. Copy and paste does work in the meme coin market for sure, but being a step ahead, like Pepe, like Shiba Inu, like Floki, is the thing that makes these coins stand out from the crowd and gives it longevity. Again, like always guys, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. But let me know, how are you guys feeling about Bonk in the comment section below? How are you guys feeling about Dogecoin? Are you gonna load up a bag? I want to hear in the comment section below. We'll continue the conversation over there. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.